I'm going.
Alex, you see him? Get him, boy. Alex is going to be right on him.
Oh!
No, let him run. Jumping out of the water to get it. Did he get it?
Yep.
Yeah, I think he did. These are eating. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to bring mine.
Come out. Over here. Oh, he's decent. We got one around this one too. I hope I'm recording. I am. Woo! Oh god, oh god.
I bet he eats it.
Where's he at?
Yeah, just throw it out there.
On the front. Oh, look, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Look, look, right there, right there, right there. Yes, yes, yes. Eat the pinfish. Oh, they're swarming it. Oh, they ate it, they ate it, they ate it.
He ate it?
They're,
Oh, I think he ate it.
no, he's eating it right now.
Set the hook. Oh, yeah. Good job.
Better than nothing.
No. Thank you.
We're in business now.
Yeah, we're in business now. You see how quick that can change? Yeah. Oh, nice one. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Wait, don't get him around here. Pull him back that way. Don't force him. You got time. Don't get him any closer. Tired. Okay. Do you like the pinfish?
Yeah, there's like 6 of them swarming it.
Swarming it?
Yep.
Fixing to get off. You gotta come in. He's barely hooked. Throw him in there. Sorry. That's it.
Yay, more cleaning for me.
Like that one, Alex.
This one?
That's a good one.
Oh, this one's good. Oh, don't go in the mud. This one's good, Dad. We need to get this one in. He's swimming upside down. We're good. He's just swimming in circles right here.
Got one. Nice little pull.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah.
Anybody want it? I'm putting this guy in here.
That's why I wanted to get him in.
Whoa! You see that? He just... There's 2, yeah, there's 2 or 3. They're not eating this pilcher. They're not eating the pilcher. I like pinfish better, I think. They're under us. A whole school. Tarpon. It is tarpon. I heard they're fun to catch.